Hello everyone, welcome to Agam. In this video, I'll tell you how can an organization conduct a lecture. As soon as an organization logs in on the platform, they will be able to see this dashboard on the screen. We have 6 options in the dashboard. First is teachers, where you can add your teachers. Second is students, where you will be able to add your students. Third is schedule, where you will be able to upload or update your schedule. Fourth is calls, where you will be able to schedule a lecture. Fifth is pricing, where you can upload or update your pricing about the courses you teach. And the last option is student groups option, where you will be able to create a group of the students which can later be added in a lecture. If you want to add the teachers, just click on teachers section. There is an add button, just click on that and type the email ID of the teacher you would like to add. Make sure that the teacher has already registered on the platform, then only you will be able to add the teacher. Go back to the home screen, and now if you want to add your students, click on students. Click on add button and type in the email ID of the students you would like to add. Again, you have to make sure that the students have already logged in on the platform as a student, and then only you will be able to add them in your particular account. Third is to update the schedule or upload the schedule. You have 4 options to do that. First is you can view the schedule which you have already made. Second is you can auto upload the particular schedule, where you just have to select the board, grade, and you have to upload the data. The sample Excel sheet for the data is already given. Third is manual upload, where you can fill the form and add the schedule. And the last option is for slot. If you click on add button, you will be able to update the slot, and this is how your schedule will be created. So you have multiple options to create your schedule. Now, if you want to conduct a lecture, click on calls option, click on schedule a lecture button and fill this form. Select the standard, select the board or stream of education, select the subjects, enter the class name, enter the duration of the class, enter the number of students, enter the class date, update the time, select the teacher who is supposed to take this particular class, and submit. Now you can see there is an invitation card which has been created. You can either click on add student, type in the email IDs and add them to the particular meeting, or you can simply click on add group option and add all the groups which you have made. Now to make the groups, go to home screen and there is an option called student groups. Click on that, create a student group, enter the name, submit. Now you can add your student by typing in their email IDs in this particular option. This is how an organization can conduct a lecture. Thank you.